Welcome to GTV. Today I will be showing you Galco's repair capabilities for Gemco's Quik Set 4 programmable limit switches. Galco offers repair expertise as a third-party option to the OEM, often with significant cost savings. Every repair received at Galco is cleaned and dried. Our technicians have extensive experience repairing programmable limit switches. When applicable, our technicians will replace components that commonly fail. As a result, your equipment is refurbished, not just repaired. Completed standard repairs are tested and verified in a simulator to assure long-term performance after reinstallation. Every repair must pass up to 4 levels of testing and 3 levels of quality control before it is sent back to you. The repair of your limit switch includes an 18-month bumper-to-bumper warranty, meaning the entire unit you send us is covered, not just the portion repaired. We offer 3 repair turnaround options, which may be as fast as the next business day. Most repairs are pre-priced or may be sent to us for a free evaluation. See our entire list of repair capabilities at galco.com.